Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will show you some quick and easy way to fold your jeans, saving your plenty of space in your wardrobe. Let's get started. First, lay your jeans flat on a clean surface, making sure the legs are aligned. Smooth out any wrinkles to ensure a neat fold. Next, fold one leg over the other, ensuring that the bottom hem line up with the top of the waistband. This creates a compact space saving fold. If you have limited shelf space, you can also try a vertical fold. Fold the jeans in half by bringing one leg up over the other, then fold the waistband down toward the hem. This method allows you to easily stack jeans on top of each other. Another nifty trick is the roll-up method. Start by folding one leg up about the third of the way, then continue rolling the jeans tightly from the bottom hem up to the waistband. This not only saves space but also helps prevent wrinkles. For those who prefer a more organized look, try folding your jeans in third. Fold one leg over the other, then fold the jeans in half. Otherwise, finally fold the jeans in half again, ensuring all edges are aligned. This method created a neat, compact stack and there you have it, several space saving hacks to fold your jeans. We hope you found these tips useful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.